gearheads and DIY mechanics. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO GENIUS10, a powerful and intelligent car battery charger that can handle all your charging, maintaining, and recovery needs. So, let's get started. The NOCO GENIUS10 ships in standby mode. A mode must be selected prior to use. Press the mode button to toggle through the available modes, including 12-volt AGM and 12-volt lithium. Press the mode button again to return to standby mode. To access the second group of charge modes, including 6-volt and 12-volt repair mode, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds and cycle through the available modes. Once the correct mode for the application has been selected, the unit will begin charging and the charge LEDs will start to slowly pulse. A solid green LED will indicate the charge is complete. If a battery is too low to be detected, the GENIUS10 has a built-in force mode. They can manually activate charging and start the recovery process if the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery, but does not come out of standby when the mode button is pressed. Force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. Ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure. This charger is a great option for a variety of car owners, including daily drivers, maintain a healthy battery and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Classic car enthusiasts, keep your vintage car's battery in top shape during storage. Motorcycle and ATV owners, ensure your powersports batteries are ready to go whenever you are. Boat owners, maintain your boat battery during the off-season for reliable spring starts. Here are some additional tips. Always consult your car's owner's manual before using any battery charger. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated when charging a battery. Keep the battery clamps clean and free of corrosion for better connection. If you're interested in learning more about the NOCO GENIUS10, a smart car battery charger, 6 volts and 12 volts automotive charger, check out the links in the description below. The NOCO GENIUS10 is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to take control of their car battery health. It's a user-friendly, powerful, and versatile charger that can keep your battery performing its best for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips and product reviews. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the NOCO GENIUS10. Have you ever used a smart battery charger? If so, which one and what was your experience?